OGT Survival Axe. The OGT Survival Axe is a survivalist's dream, combining multiple functions in one compact tool. It weighs only 1.7 pounds, making it easy to carry, but it doesn't compromise on utility. You can use it to chop wood, hammer tent stakes, pull nails, and even saw branches. It's like having a toolbox in one hand, perfect for campers or hikers who want to stay prepared. It's priced at $60, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about outdoor adventures. Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. The Gerber Freescape Camp Saw makes wood cutting easy, whether you're collecting firewood or clearing a path. Its unique folding design is super compact and safe for transport, yet it unfolds into a full-size saw. The blades are strong enough to cut through thick branches without wearing out quickly. Plus, its bright green color makes it easy to spot in your gear. At around $40, it's a solid choice for those who need a reliable, space-saving saw during trips. Flextailgear Zero Pump. Inflating gear with the Flextailgear Zero Pump requires almost no effort. This small device is a lifesaver. Weighing only 2 ounces, it's ultra-portable, but can inflate your air mattress, pillows, or even a pool float in seconds. It comes with 6 different nozzles, so it works with most inflatables. On top of that, it's rechargeable and can double as a fire fan. It costs $47, but the convenience it brings to the campsite makes it worth it. Fith Ops Perimeter Trip Alarm. For anyone seeking extra security in the wilderness, the Fith Ops Perimeter Trip Alarm is a game changer. This lightweight tripwire system emits a loud sound when triggered, alerting you to any intruders, whether animals or uninvited guests. The best part? It requires no batteries. It uses blank primers for safety and peace of mind. At around $60, it's ideal for those who want more security when camping in remote areas. ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. When you're venturing off-grid, the ZOLEO Satellite Communicator is essential. It connects to your smartphone and allows you to send messages, check weather reports, or share your GPS location from almost anywhere, whether you're hiking in the mountains or deep in the wilderness. This satellite communicator ensures you're never truly out of touch. It's compact, easy to use, and with a subscription, offers global coverage. It costs about $200, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. AUXITO Car Jump Starter. The AUXITO Car Jump Starter is small yet powerful. This portable device can jumpstart your car in an emergency, even if the battery is completely dead. It's great for road trips or camping adventures, where help may not be nearby. Plus, it doubles as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices for around $80. It's a gadget you'll want to keep in your car, just in case. Shine 2.0 Wind Turbine. The Shine 2.0 Wind Turbine turns windy days into power-producing opportunities. This portable wind turbine is designed to generate electricity for your devices when you're far from the grid. It's compact and easy to set up, ideal for campers, hikers, or anyone spending extended time outdoors. It works even in less than ideal conditions, ensuring you always have power. At around $240, it's an investment. But for those who need renewable energy on the go, it's worth every penny. Manmower Beard Trimmer. For those who like to keep things tidy even in the wild, the Manmower Beard Trimmer is your go-to gadget. This manual beard trimmer doesn't need batteries or charging, making it perfect for camping trips. It's small, portable, and gives you control over your beard grooming. Simply roll it over your facial hair, and it trims evenly. At $30, it's an eco-friendly alternative to electric trimmers, ideal for minimalists who want to stay well-groomed. Hunter Lockback Knife. The Hunter Lockback Knife is a rugged and reliable tool that's ready for anything. Its 3.75-inch stainless steel blade is sharp enough to handle tough tasks, from cutting rope to preparing food. The lockback mechanism ensures it stays securely in place during use, adding extra safety. It also folds neatly, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. At $25, this knife is a steal for anyone needing a dependable all-purpose tool while camping or hiking. Auspit Compact Spit Rotisserie. For those who love outdoor cooking, the Auspit Compact Spit Rotisserie is a game changer. This portable rotisserie lets you cook whole chickens, roasts, or vegetables over an open fire with ease. It's battery operated, meaning you don't need to sit there and manually turn your food. The compact design makes it easy to transport and set up, making it perfect for camping trips or backyard barbecues. At $150, it's a fun way to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Saker Cordless Mini Saw. The Saker Cordless Mini Saw is a versatile tool, perfect for quick cutting tasks. This mini saw is compact, lightweight, and runs on a rechargeable battery, allowing you to work without being tied to a power outlet. It's excellent for cutting branches, PVC pipes, or small woodworking projects. With safety features like a protective guard and easy operation, it's ideal for DIY enthusiasts or campers. At $80, it's a handy addition to any toolkit. Ignik Refillable Gas Growler. The Ignik Refillable Gas Growler is an eco-friendly solution for propane use during camping trips. Instead of relying on disposable propane canisters, this growler can be refilled, saving you money and reducing waste. It holds enough propane to last several trips, making it great for outdoor cooking or heating. At $150, it may seem pricey, but over time, it pays for itself and is better for the environment. Plus, it's durable and designed to last. Disco Bed Large with 2 side organizers. The Disco Bed Large is a brilliant solution for maximizing space in a tent. This portable bunk bed system allows 2 people to sleep comfortably without taking up much floor space. It's easy to set up, durable, and comes with side organizers for storing your gear. Perfect for camping with kids or larger groups. It's also great for emergency situations. At $400, it's on the higher end, but the convenience and comfort make it worth considering for serious campers. AstroAI Dual Zone 12-Volt Car Refrigerator. The AstroAI Dual Zone 12-Volt Car Refrigerator is perfect for keeping food and drinks cool while you're on the road. With separate compartments for freezing and cooling, it ensures that perishables stay fresh, even on long trips. It runs on your car's 12-volt power outlet, making it ideal for camping, road trips, or picnics. At $300, it's a solid investment for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors and wants to bring along fresh food and beverages. Emergency Radio Power Bank. The Emergency Radio Power Bank is a multifunctional device combining a radio, flashlight, and power bank in one. In addition to receiving weather alerts and news updates, it can charge your devices and provide light in emergencies. It's solar-powered and can also be charged manually via a hand crank, making it perfect for off-the-grid adventures or survival situations. At $40, it's an affordable and practical tool to add to your emergency kit. Azitrek Big and Tall Sleeping Bag. The Azitrek Big and Tall Sleeping Bag is designed for maximum comfort, especially for larger campers. It's spacious, warm, and can handle cold temperatures, making it ideal for chilly nights. The soft interior and durable exterior provide comfort and protection, while the generous size ensures you won't feel cramped. At around $80, this sleeping bag is perfect for anyone who values both comfort and warmth on camping trips, especially during colder seasons. KingCamp Sleeping Pad. The KingCamp Sleeping Pad offers ultimate portable comfort. It's self-inflating, so you won't have to waste time or energy setting it up after a long day. Plus, it's lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry with the rest of your camping gear. With its comfortable cushioning and insulation, you'll get a good night's sleep even on rough terrain. At around $50, it's a great value for anyone wanting a little extra comfort in the wilderness. Firemaple Hornet 2 Stove. The Firemaple Hornet 2 Stove is a compact, lightweight stove that packs a punch. This small but powerful stove boils water quickly, making it perfect for cooking meals or making coffee while camping. It's easy to set up and runs on standard propane canisters, giving you plenty of cooking power. At just $35, this stove is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. It's ideal for minimalist campers or those who need a reliable, no-fuss stove on the go. Flextail Mosquito Repeller. The Flextail Mosquito Repeller is a must-have for anyone camping in bug-heavy areas. This portable device uses a chemical-free ultrasonic sound to keep mosquitoes away, so you won't have to worry about bites while relaxing by the campfire. It's lightweight and rechargeable, making it easy to bring along on any trip. At around $30, it's an affordable solution to a common camping problem and will save you a lot of frustration in the long run. Coleman Classic Camp Stove. The Coleman Classic Camp Stove is a tried-and-true option for outdoor cooking. This 2-burner stove is durable, easy to use, and provides consistent heat, making it perfect for cooking meals at your campsite. It runs on propane and has wind-blocking panels to ensure your food cooks evenly, even in windy conditions. At around $45, it's a reliable and affordable choice for campers who want to enjoy a hot meal after a day of exploring. Nomads Micro Knife. The Nomads Micro Knife is a tiny yet powerful cutting tool. It's designed to fit right on your keychain, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry wherever you go. Despite its small size, the blade is sharp enough to handle various tasks, like cutting rope or opening packages. Made from stainless steel, it's durable and resistant to rust. At around $20, it's a budget-friendly addition to your everyday carry kit, perfect for anyone who values convenience and functionality in a tiny package. Oxaz, the Overcap Hood. The Oxaz Overcap Hood is a versatile piece of gear designed to keep you warm and dry in unpredictable weather. This hood is waterproof, windproof, and can be worn over your existing clothing or helmet. It's perfect for outdoor adventures, where the weather can change at any moment, providing extra protection from the elements. It folds down small enough to fit in your pocket, making it ideal for hikers and bikers. At $60, it's a bit of an investment, but the added comfort and protection make it worthwhile for anyone spending a lot of time outdoors. Lockhart Trip Alarm. For those looking for extra security while camping, the Lockhart Trip Alarm is a smart, easy-to-use device. This alarm system is designed to be set up around your campsite, using a tripwire to alert you of any intruders, whether human or animal. It's lightweight and portable, making it simple to carry and set up anywhere. The sound emitted is loud enough to scare off most potential threats. Priced at $45, it's an affordable way to feel more secure while spending nights in the wilderness. Spark Fire Starter Kit. The Spark Fire Starter Kit is a must-have for anyone serious about survival skills or outdoor cooking. This compact kit includes everything you need to start a fire in almost any weather conditions. The flint and steel combination is designed to create sparks easily, even when it's windy or wet. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and comes with tinder to help you get a fire going quickly. At $25, this kit is a valuable tool for anyone who spends time in the outdoors and wants a reliable way to start a fire. Platypus QuickDraw Filter System. The Platypus QuickDraw Filter System is an excellent choice for staying hydrated in the wild. This compact water filtration system is lightweight and easy to use, allowing you to filter water directly from streams, lakes, or other natural sources. The filter is effective in removing bacteria and protozoa, ensuring you have access to clean water, no matter where you are. It's fast, filtering up to 3 liters of water per minute. At $40, it's a smart, affordable investment for hikers, campers, or anyone venturing into areas without clean water sources. Matador SEG30 Backpack. The Matador SEG30 Backpack is a versatile, ultra-lightweight bag designed for organized travel and outdoor adventures. With a 30-liter capacity, it features segmented compartments for easy packing and quick access to your essentials. Its durable, weather-resistant material makes it ideal for both urban and outdoor environments. The backpack can be worn as a traditional pack or carried like a duffel, providing flexibility in how you use it. Priced at around $150, it's a perfect choice for adventurers who value organization and durability. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, exploring the best outdoor and camping gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on outdoor gadgets, gear tips, and survival advice. Feel free to drop a comment below with your favorite camping gear or any suggestions you have for future videos. Until next time, stay prepared, stay safe, and keep exploring the great outdoors. See you in the next video.